Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, thanks for tuning in to yet another video. If you don't know me yet, my name is Jason Dames with Final Start Fitness. If you do know me and you tune into this channel, we want to tell you that we appreciate that. On today's video, we're going to be talking about a little hack that you can utilize as a pre-workout. So make sure that you stay tuned. Coming up next. Now, a lot of you guys are looking for ways to optimize your workouts when you go into the gym, so that way you have the most amount of energy and that you get the best pump on. Hey, I do it too, I don't blame you. So outside of taking creatine or BCAAs, one of the best things that you can do is utilize sea salt before a workout. So it needs to be some sort of like Himalayan sea salt, or a brand that I like to use is Redmond Real Sea Salt. I can put the link in the show notes below. But what sea salt does is it's actually a vasodilator. And so if you ever heard of your eyes dilating and they widen, your pupils dilate like that. Same thing happens in our veins whenever we take sea salt or we consume sea salt. It actually dilates the arteries. What this does, it actually allows more blood flow to the working muscles. Now, the reason that this is so important is that the more blood flow that we have going to the working muscle means that we're going to be able to provide more nutrients, more energy, and more oxygen to our muscle cells. So we're going to get a better pump on, we're going to have more energy. It's also going to help drive those amino acids to help muscle recovery. And we're going to have an overall better workout. Another thing that consuming sea salt does is that sodium actually helps transport nutrients in and out of the cells a lot more fluently. So all this put together is really going to help optimize your overall health. And one of the things that you're going to notice is that you have energy right away. So you're not going to need all these stimulants, all these energy drinks that people take before a workout. It's going to be a lot more healthier for you as well. So hopefully this little hack helps. Make sure you do it just a little teaspoon right before a workout. You put a little bit on a spoon. I put it like on the tip of my tongue and then wash it down with a little bit of water and you're good to go. I'm confident that you're going to like this little trick. Hey, I do it all the time. And if you like this information, you like other videos that we're continuing to put out, make sure that you like, subscribe, share, and do all the things. We love you guys. God bless. Have a great day and peace.